Everyone is talking about the AI boom, ChatGPT, Nvidia, quantum computing. But while most people are trying to figure out how to use AI to make money, there is a quiet group of people making a killing by investing in the infrastructure behind it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are reviewing the Rebel AI formula. This isn't about drop shipping or starting an agency. It's about tapping into the $3.6 trillion AI market growth. Look at these numbers. We are seeing returns of 800% to 1500% in quantum computing stocks. The creator of this system, Sean, claims he is found a way to trade these stocks in just 20 minutes a day. But is it legit? Let's find out. We have all been there. You try affiliate marketing, crypto, or courses that just gather dust. The Rebel AI formula pitches itself differently. It claims to be a skill, not a scheme. Here is the core promise. You wake up, scan a watch list for 10 minutes, set up your trade, and close your laptop, no staring at screens all day. They call it the rolling income basket system. Instead of betting the farm on one stock, you build a basket of position targeting a 50% each. If the market goes off, down, or sideways, the claim is that this system still works because it relies on volatility and defined risk, not just hoping prices go off. Now, before we look at the exact curriculum, I have to mention the price because this is usually the deal breaker. Right now, they are launching this as a 3-day live sprint. The list price is usually over $2,000, but for this launch, you get in for just $29. This is less than a pizza delivery. If you are interested in learning this skill directly from Sean Live, I have left the official link in the description below. It's a low risk entry to see if trading is for you. Make sure to check out the official website using the fast link in the description box below. And here is the best part. If you purchase from my link, I'm going to provide you with free bonuses. In order to get those bonuses, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I'll send you the bonus immediately. Okay. Let's get back to what you actually learn. So what happens during this 3-day masterclass? Day 1 is the foundation. Sean breaks down the 3 out of 30 strategy and how to set up your tools so you can start scanning for these AI stocks immediately. Day 2 looks like the meat and potatoes. This is the where he teaches the 30-minute trigger pattern. This is the specific signal that tells you exactly when to buy. He also covers paper trading, so you can practice with fake money before risking a single cent of your own. Day 3 is about the exit strategy, how to close to cash. This is crucial because knowing when to sell is harder than knowing when to buy. He teaches a method to automate this so profits hit your account while you are sleeping. Of course, talk is cheap. Let's look at the data. This chart shows the strategy performance from 2022 to 2025. It shows a starting account of $1,000 growing to over 3.1 million. These are past results and trading always involves risk. But what's impressive is the consistency. An 84.4% win rate over 436 trades. On top of the training for that $29 entry, you are also getting a private Discord group, full transcripts, and this is actually cool, a free partner pass. This means your spouse or business partner can sit in on the training for free. To wrap this off, who is this for? If you are looking a get rich quick crypto moonshot, this isn't it. This is a mechanical, somewhat boring trading system. But if you are proficient in English, can follow a checklist, and want a logical way to build income that doesn't require building a website or selling products, the Rebel AI formula is a solid pick. For $29, the risk to reward ratio here is fantastic. If you are ready to sprint, hit that link in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.